Welcome to my first studio vlog. I've just gotten all of my materials in, so let's unbox them. I've reordered the style of thank you notes like 3 times. I really like the design of these, and I think you guys do too. I decided to reorganize my shipping cart because I ordered double of what I usually get and I'm starting to run out of space. Also, this mini vacuum is just the cutest and most useful little thing I have. I like how it turned out. Looks nice and pink. My desk is always super messy on Sundays because of how busy I get on Saturdays sometimes, so I just wipe it down and get it ready for the week. And sorry if you can hear my cricket in the background, I'm just making packs as I clean. Once I wipe everything down and get everything all clean, I go ahead and make the most popular packs for the week so that I can just grab them when you guys order. I always enjoy lining them up. Now it's time to make the holographic sticker packs. These are actually kind of challenging to make and I struggle a lot with these, so I didn't film too much of this, but it was an okay day with it. I'm better some days than others. And here's how they all turned out. I think they're worth the struggle. I really like having them in my shop. And it's finally time to do orders. I'm doing the ones that I have left over from Saturday. Thank you guys so much for all of your orders this week. They were all so cute and fun to put together. And the orders are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little studio vlog. It was just a relaxing, cleaning, packaging day. I've really been wanting to show more of my process lately because you guys have been so awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to make more. Have a good week.